This is Maria.
Hi there.
Maria works in the ACH Investigations Department for 123 Credit Union. Unfortunately, her coastal town was hit by a hurricane, and their main branch was not operational for 2 days. Now, they have several late returns that they need to send back to the originating bank. Since these are time-sensitive, Maria doesn't have time to wait on her bank's existing manual processes to notify the ODFIs, and she doesn't know who to contact at the large originating banks. Maria can initiate an RDLR case type in the Fed ACH Exception Resolution Service via the FedLine Web or FedLine Advantage Solutions to quickly and electronically notify the ODFIs of their extreme circumstance and that a late return is coming. The ODFI can then reply back within the Exception Resolution Service to confirm receipt and watch for the return in their systems to avoid a dishonored return. Case closed. Want to learn more about the Exception Resolution Service and how it can help solve simple ACH exception cases? Find your account executive's contact information on frbservices.org to get signed up.